The year is 1925. Henry Ford adds green and red paint options to his black paint only lineup, and in 2 short years, Babe Ruth would have his immortal home run season. Now, at the same time, in a small shop outside Chicago, Albert Swanson began his life's work, the Speed Square. Albert was a master carpenter who developed the Speed Square on the job. He wanted an easier way to determine angular roof pitches. The Speed Square was his answer. Fellow carpenters loved his idea and wanted their own Swanson Speed Squares. Demand grew so rapidly that Swanson started mass-producing the tool in 1930. Today, under the ownership and direction of the Alleman brothers, Swanson Tool Company continues to manufacture and distribute the Speed Square and a host of other quality tools. Swanson Tool continues the philosophy of quality first to meet the needs and expectations of contractors, professional tradespeople, and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Today's Swanson Speed Square represents decades of design and manufacturing evolution. Recent upgrades to this legendary tool include finer gradations and precision machined edges for better accuracy, black-filled markings for improved legibility, a matte finish to reduce glare on the job site, a scribe bar for laying out straight, accurate trim cuts, and the diamond cutout. This trademark Swanson Tool exclusive speeds up layout work and seat cuts on common rafters. The Swanson Speed Square remains the cornerstone of Swanson's complete lineup of quality layout and alignment tools. Swanson Tool Company has expanded their philosophy of quality designs throughout its evolution into combination squares, folding squares, builder squares, straight edges, accessories, levels, and highly specialized variations of the original Speed Square. Avoid would-be imitators. Demand the best. Look for the trademark diamond cutout only from Swanson. Start square and finish level with Swanson. Building customer trust for more than 80 years.
Drywall axe. Measure, mark, cut. The drywall axe is a time-saving 3-in-1 cutting tool designed for safety,